stay off the police have you close. It's not verbal, it's physically.
I would hope they do.
Do we have a tape measure?
Not with us. I hope we do.
Well, I'll get in the report for Hershey. Yeah, the department. Get out the car. Wonder if there's people stuck on the road.
After the beep, please say a command.
Dial by name.
Dial by name has been chosen. After the display has updated, please briefly push the talk switch. After the beep, please say the name.
Home.
Chosen. When ready, please briefly push the talk switch. Or push the off-hook switch to dial. Hello?
Hey, it's us. The roads are no problem. Once you get out of the neighborhood, they're no problem.
The policemen are saying on the thing about Mountain Road's closed, 83 is closed, 81's closed.
That may be, but the roads here are fine.
Okay, are you going to make it back up the hill?
Probably not. We're going to go in Copperstone. But
Okay.
we're just about at the apartments right now, following a plow truck here. I want to see what's going on there. Then we'll be
What are you doing?
We're just about at the apartments. I want to
Do you go to Turkey Hill?
Mom, we're going to the apartments. The 10
Okay, but
floor?
did you go to Turkey Hill?
Yes,
Yeah.
we got that taken care of.
Yes, we did. We got the gas, and we're just following a plow truck right now to the apartments.
Okay.
And then we'll come straight home.
Do you want the lady's name and number from across the street?
Yeah. Can you write this down, Mila?
I'll just record it on my phone.
Okay, Mike, we'll put it in his phone. Hold on. Let her
I
know
have to
you're
call you back because I have to look at caller ID.
ready. Okay. Why don't you call us back then?
I'll call you back.
All right. Bye.
I'll call you back. Call you back. Call you back. Okay? Call you back. Okay?
What you got there?
She's gonna call us back. Did you go to Turkey Hill?
Fast sometimes. That'd be a good one. What, you got that one?
Yeah. I've been recording some movies. This stuff makes great YouTube material.
You're not getting the sound, are you?
Yeah.
Hey.
5, 8.
Wait. Go.
Wait.
Go!
Okay, go ahead.
5, 8, 3, 2, 2, 5, 6.
What's the name?
I can't remember. I think she said Nancy, but it could be Carol.
Okay.
Last name's Ludwig.
Okay.
That's what caller ID says, Ludwig.
Okay, well, we're just about there now.
Okay.
All right, see you later.
See you, bye.
Bye.
There's some frosters there. Passing. Put Morse code J in. Hey, well, I'd say Redtop Road's not that bad. How about there, Billy?
It's cake.
What was that, Billy?
Back 39 is worse than Red Top.
What was that, Billy? Can't hear you.
39 is worse than Red Top.
39 is from Redtop. Is that right?
That's right.
Redtop's better than 39. Hershey Road. Would you believe that? Well, folks, we're in Hershey. Just to let you know. Hershey, Pennsylvania. There's the Welland. Hard to see, but it's back there.
That's a Twister 55.